Time series analysis. Let's understand this concept now. A time series is a set of statistical observations arranged in a chronological order. So it's a set of numerical data which has been recorded. It is consistently collected over different intervals of time. Its main purpose is forecasting. For example, data related to weather collected daily or sales of a product in different years. It has significance. Let's understand its significance now. It helps in understanding the past behavior, that is, data collected during the past period helps in understanding that and helps in predicting the future. Gives reliable forecast because we randomly don't predict the future. Using the data collected, we assume the future. It helps in evaluation and also it facilitates comparison. This is the main function, that is, it facilitates comparison. As we have sufficient data, it's very easy to compare the two sets of data. There are four components of time series now. Let's understand each one by one. To name those four, those are secular trend, seasonal variation, cyclic variation, and irregular variation. So secular trend is also known as long-term trend. A time series data may show a upward trend, downward trend, or may remain constant for a period of years. Either the trend may go up, for example, increase in gold price in many years. Like before 10 years, the gold price was very low compared to today. It has rapidly increased. So this is an example for upward trend. To give an example for downward trend, it may be the decrease in death rate due to medical advancements. So this is a good example for downward trend. So here either the trend may go up or go down or may remain constant due to the factors such as increase in population, changes in technology, large scale shift in consumers demand. There are certain factors which would affect or which would cause this trend. Second one, that is seasonal variation. Seasonal variations are short-term fluctuations. These are due to the seasonal variations. For example, in summers there may be high demand for ice cream, and when it comes to winters there may be high demand for sweaters, and in rainy there may be high demand for umbrellas. So this variation occurs due to the seasons. Cause of these variations are weather conditions, traditions, and customs of people. Okay, it may be also the festivals. Like during Diwali, there may be high demand for crackers, diyas. Let's look at the next variation, that is cyclic variation. Cyclic variations are recurrent upward and downward movement in a time series, but the period of cycle is greater than a year. So here there are four phases: prosperity, decline, depression, and an improvement. So depending on the conditions, it may go up, come down, and completely decline, or also come up. So this entire thing happens in a single cycle. The period of cycle is greater than 1 year. Next one, that is irregular, erratic, or random variations. Irregular variations are fluctuations in time series that are short in duration, erratic in nature, and follow no regularity in occurrence pattern. For example, sudden increase in death due to what? These are actually unpredictable. These variations are purely random and due to irregular circumstances. Circumstances such as flood, pandemics, wars, etc. To give another example, decrease in sales due to pandemics. During COVID, there was high demand for some products like sanitizers, masks, which had no existent at all in the market. So this sudden or irregular changes may cause irregular variations in the market. That's all for today. Thank you.